Hey everyone, imagine you're trying to shift gears but your car hesitates or won't go into gear at all. You scan for trouble codes and suddenly, P0922 pops up. This code points to an issue with the gear shift forward actuator circuit, which controls shifting into forward gears. In this video, I'll break down the causes, show you where the sensor is located and how you can fix it. Let's dive in. DTC P0922 stands for Gear Shift Forward Actuator Circuit Low. This means that the circuit controlling the forward gear actuator is not receiving enough voltage or has a fault, preventing proper shifting. If ignored, it can lead to severe transmission failure and unsafe driving conditions. Common symptoms of P0922: car doesn't shift into drive or forward gears, hesitation or delay when shifting, check engine light on, transmission warning light activated, vehicle stuck in limp mode, sensor and component location, gear shift forward. Actuator is typically mounted on the side of the transmission near the gear shift solenoids. In some vehicles it's part of the transmission valve body. Transmission control module is usually found under the dashboard, near the battery, or inside the transmission. Wiring runs between the actuator and TCM, routed along the transmission housing. What causes P0922? Faulty gear shift forward actuator, broken or corroded wiring, faulty transmission control module, blown fuse or damaged relay, or mechanical transmission failure. How to fix P0922. Step 1. Check wiring and connectors. Step 2. Test the gear shift forward actuator with multimeter or scan tool. Step 3. Inspect the transmission control module and scan for additional error codes. Step 4. Replace faulty fuses or relays, check for mechanical damage, clear the code and test drive. Ignoring P0922 can lead to serious transmission damage. Fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. For more OBD-II error codes, check out P0710 and P0711 videos. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.